Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to all my new viewers. My name is Queen Love and thank you to each and every one of you for taking time out your busy schedule to watch another one of my videos. But without further ado, don't forget to give this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified every time Queen Love drop a video. But today I will be doing white chicken lasagna, and it consists of the chicken breast, the mozzarella cheese. Everything is white. So I got the ragu alfredo sauce. I got the bell peppers, as well as mushrooms, spinach, and of course the vinegar to wash the chicken. And I'm having corn on the cob along with the Texas toast. So let me get this thing started by washing this chicken off. And it's like maybe a fourth of bottle of vinegar that I use. And I wash. Like I said, it's your choice if you wash your meat. So don't come for me in these comments talking about washing no meat in no sink. Where you gonna wash it at? In the bathtub? But anyways, let me wash this stuff. It's your choice where you choose to wash it at. But don't forget to give this video a fat thumbs up and tell your Amazon delivery guy, girl, UPS man, the postman. Tell everybody Queen Love be dropping those banging videos. Those are great recipes. Like I said, don't, don't, don't come for me in those comments. If you know, you know. But I'm finna get this chicken cleaned and I'll be back. So stay tuned. As you guys can see how nasty the water is. Let me zoom in so you can see. So yeah. Clean water. So I'm gonna let this water off. And I'm gonna start to chunk this chicken. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe once again. Let's get this video to 500 likes, guys. So the prep time from beginning to end takes about a total of an hour. So because you got to clean your chicken, chunk your chicken, cook it, and cook your noodles, your toast, saute your veggies. So you have to do all of that prior to getting everything done and put in the oven. So stay tuned. I'm going to finish chunking this chicken, get it seasoned so it can be sauteed, and then I can do my veggies. All right, guys, all of the dry seasonings that I use, and I will display them on the screen, which is the chicken bouillon, oregano, my usuals, onion powder, garlic powder, Tony's Creole, lemon pepper. I don't know if you saw the Tonys or not, but I'm going to bring it back. And of course, minced garlic. That's about to go in the skillet. So I'm going to mix this all up. Like I said, guys, this is an hour prep cook time. All right, guys, it's all mixed, all good. So I'm going to put minced garlic in the skillet first. Then I'm going to add in the chicken. And this is going to cook for a good 25 minutes until thoroughly cooked. So hit that like button and turn on your post notifications, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this chicken is cooking good. Smells good. The aroma in this kitchen, oh my freaking God. I wish you guys could smell this. Let me see. See the flavors? The aroma. And I got my Alfredo sauce and all the same seasonings I used was incorporated in my Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna let that cook. And got the noodles boiling, so yeah. Well, this chicken is done, guys. I'm about to incorporate it into the Alfredo sauce. So I'm about to incorporate the chicken in the Alfredo sauce, guys. And I'm gonna let this cook for another 10 minutes perhaps. The noodles are done and I'm about to get ready to saute the veggies. Oh my God, it smells so freaking good. Oh, that aroma, that aroma, that aroma. So don't forget, like I said, go tell everybody. When I say everybody, as Medea say, Queen Love be dropping those videos, those banging videos. And this ain't even through cooking. It's so creamy. Oh my goodness. Stay tuned, guys. All right, I got the bell peppers. And I'm about to do the onions, all of that. Good stuff mixed in. And after this starts to cook down some, I will add the spinach. And lots of mushrooms. I'm not adding any seasoning to the vegetables because the chicken and the Alfredo sauce have enough. So I don't want to add any more. All right, guys, my stove has gotten super hot. So now I'm about to incorporate the spinach. That's why you hear the vent blowing. And I already started to prepare the Texas toast. And all of this is about to go in the oven on 350. I'm doing the toast first, and then I will do the lasagna. Well, guys, the mushrooms, spinach, and onions are done. So I'm going to turn it off, and you will see the process. So let me get my pans and stuff set up. Yep, so stay tuned, guys. Now I'm about to add cheese to the toast and parsley. Trying to spread it evenly so all the toast will have cheese, butter, parsley. Sometimes it just makes it simpler to just take the top completely off and sprinkle. Popping these in the oven for 5 minutes, and then I'll do the lasagna. All right, guys, I have the shells layered on the bottom. When I tell you guys, this is going to be so good. So good. And then I spread the veggies. Not a lot of cheese on the first layer. Then you repeat with the lasagna shells. And that one kind of tore. I'm trying to see if y'all really see the flavors. Like, That was Bay back there, guys. So ain't no telling what that sound was for. He could have been stretching or whatever, but pay that no mind. Then that's when you put some more cheese. And more cheese. You know you can't get enough cheese. And you're also going to add Parmesan. Going in with paprika, of course, guys. And then, of course, like last but not least, top it off with parsley. This is going to go in the oven. All right, guys. See that? Looks good. All right, guys. This is the finished product of the white chicken lasagna, corn on the cob, Texas toast. That yummy goodness. Don't forget to give this video off that thumbs up. See you in the next video.